In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the Turbotax error message that says, "There are errors in your return. Continue." If you've ever come across this frustrating message while trying to e-file your federal or state taxes, don't worry, I'm here to guide you through the steps to resolve it. First, let's start by heading over to the Turbotax official website. This is where you'll access your account and make the necessary changes to fix the problem. Once you're on the website's main page, you'll notice a sign in button, usually located at the top right corner. Go ahead and click on that to enter your account details. If you haven't already signed in, now is the time to do so. Once you've logged into your Turbotax account, you'll land on the home page. This is where you'll find all of the navigation options you need. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout if you haven't already. A key section you want to focus on is labeled Tax Tools. You'll find this on the left-hand menu. Click on it to open up a couple of additional options. Under Tax Tools, you should see an option simply labeled Tools. Clicking on this will bring up a small window with more advanced options to help you manage your tax return. Now this is where things start to get interesting, and hopefully where your issue will begin to resolve itself. From the menu that appears, select Clear and Start Over. This option will allow you to refresh your return and remove any errors that might be causing the e-file issue. It's important to note that by selecting this, you will lose all the information you currently have in your return for that year. So only proceed if you're comfortable starting from scratch, or if you've backed up your information elsewhere and are able to re-enter it with ease. After clicking Clear and Start Over, a confirmation prompt will typically pop up asking if you're sure you want to proceed with this action. Simply click Yes to confirm. This step might seem a bit daunting, but it's necessary to clear the errors and get you back on track with filing your taxes. So there you have it. By following these steps, you should be well on your way to resolving this TurboTax error. Remember, these changes won't affect previous filings and are only applicable to the current tax year's return. Hopefully this solution makes your tax filing experience smoother and less stressful. Thank you for tuning in, and I hope this video has been helpful for you. If you have any more questions or run into any issues, don't hesitate to reach out to TurboTax support for additional assistance.